Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Lio and I am very happy you are here because I know you are very busy.
That is true, Lio. I am Lia, and today we have a mission. We know that life is fast. You have work, you have family, you have chores. You don't have 3 hours to study English.
I definitely don't have 3 hours, Leah. Some days I don't even have 30 minutes. I feel like I'm running a marathon every day.
Many of our listeners feel the same way, Lio. But today, we are going to show you that you can practice English while you are busy. You don't need a desk. You don't even need a book.
This is perfect for our A1 and A2 friends. We are going to speak slowly, clearly, and give you real tips that work in the middle of a busy day.
So, let's stop worrying about the clock and start using it. Let's jump into our first situation.
Now, listeners, remember that we are talking about English speaking practice for busy people. The first place we want to look at is the commute. Leah, how do you get to work?
I usually take the bus, Lio. It takes about 20 minutes.
That is 20 minutes of perfect practice time. But people might think you are crazy if you start talking loudly on the bus.
Well, you don't have to shout. I use a trick called the invisible friend.
The invisible friend? Tell me more, Leah.
I put in my headphones, the ones from my phone, and I pretend I am talking to a friend on a call. But really, I'm just talking to myself in English.
That is genius. If people see the headphones, they think you are on a real call. You can say things like, "Today I have a lot of meetings," or "I am going to the supermarket later."
Exactly. You're practicing your output. You're making your brain find the words. Listeners, you can do this while walking the dog or driving your car.
If you are driving, you can even narrate the traffic. The light is red. Now it is clean. The car in front of me is blue.
It sounds simple, but it builds the connection between your eyes and your mouth. You're training your brain to think in English in real time.
Now, listeners, remember that we are discussing English speaking practice for busy people. Let's move to the heart of the home, the kitchen.
Oh, I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, Lio. Cooking, cleaning, making coffee. It takes a lot of time.
It does, but Leah, you can use that time to be your own cooking show host.
Like on TV. Welcome to Lia's Kitchen. Today we're making pasta.
Exactly. While you are cutting the tomatoes, say it out loud. I am cutting the tomatoes. Now I am boiling the water. I am putting salt in the water.
This is great for A1 and A2 levels because you use the present continuous tense. I am verbing.
And it helps you learn the names of everything in your house. The knife, the spoon, the pot, the fridge.
What if I don't know a word, Lio? What if I don't know the word for garlic?
Then you say, I am cutting the white thing. And later you check your phone. But don't stop talking. Keep the flow moving.
That is a great tip. The goal is to keep speaking even if you make small mistakes. We want to be fluent, not perfect.
Now, listeners, remember that we are discussing English speaking practice for busy people. Let's talk about a place where we are all alone, the shower.
The shower is the best place for English, Lio. The acoustics are great. I feel like a superstar when I sing in the shower.
But instead of singing, we can use it for the daily review.
How does that work, Lio?
While you are washing your hair, try to summarize your day. Say 5 things that happened. I finished my report. I talked to my boss. I had a good lunch. I was a bit tired in the afternoon. I am happy now.
I like that. It's like a spoken diary. It only takes 3 minutes, but it helps you practice the past tense.
And because the water is warm and you are relaxed, your brain is more open to the language. You don't feel tested.
Listeners, try this tonight. Just 5 simple sentences about your day while you're in the shower or brushing your teeth.
And no one can hear you, so you can be as loud as you want. You can practice your pronunciation without feeling shy. Now, listeners, remember that we are exploring English speaking practice for busy people. We must talk about our favorite little tool, the smartphone?
We always have our phones in our hands, Lio, but usually we're just scrolling and looking at photos.
We can use them for voice notes. Leah, do you use voice notes to talk to your friends?
All the time. It's easier than typing.
Well, you can send voice notes to yourself. Use an app like WhatsApp or Telegram, create a group with only you, and send a 30-second message every day.
That is very helpful because you can listen to yourself later. You can hear your own voice and say, "Oh, I need to pronounce that word better."
And it's very fast. You can do it while waiting for the elevator or waiting for your coffee. 30 seconds is nothing, but it changes everything.
Another phone tip is to use voice to text.
Oh, I love that one. You speak into the phone and the phone writes the words for you.
If the phone understands you, then you know your pronunciation is good. If the phone writes cat, but you said car, you know you need to practice the R sound.
Now, listeners, remember that we are finishing our look at English speaking practice for busy people. Let's talk about the dead time during the day.
What do you mean by dead time, Lio? That sounds a bit scary.
No. Dead time is the time when you are waiting in line at the bank, waiting for the bus, waiting for the microwave to finish.
Ah, I see. We usually waste that time.
Exactly. Instead of wasting it, use it for a 1-minute challenge.
What is the challenge, Lio?
Pick a topic, like my favorite food, and try to talk about it for exactly 60 seconds without stopping.
I love pizza. Pizza is from Italy. I like cheese and tomatoes. I eat pizza on Fridays with my family. It is delicious.
Perfect. You did it. You see, 60 seconds feels long when you are speaking a new language, but it is very productive.
And the best part is that you can do it anywhere. If you're waiting for your toast to pop up, talk to the toaster.
The toaster is a very good listener. It never interrupts you.
Seriously, listeners, busy people are the most successful language learners because they learn to be efficient.
Efficient means doing a lot with a little bit of time.
We have covered so many things today, Lio. The invisible friend, the kitchen show, the shower review, the voice notes, and the 1-minute challenge.
All of these take almost zero extra time from your day. You just overlay the English onto your life.
Lio, I think our listeners are ready to go out and try this. They're busy, but now they're English busy.
I agree. Don't wait for a perfect time to study. The perfect time is right now, while you are doing your dishes or walking to the car.
We are so proud of you for taking this time to listen to us. You are already making progress.
Keep it up. We'll see you in the next episode for more tips and more fun.
Have a wonderful and productive day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.